Hey guys, so today I'm taking you to the most famous temple in Nainital. The name of the temple is Naina Devi. It's located in Bhutia Market near the Mall Road. So this is one of the 51 Shakti Pitas where several body parts of the goddess Sati fell, associated with the cult of goddess Durga. It is believed that this is the location where eyes of the goddess Sati fell, and that's why the temple is called Naina, the eyes. We visited this temple on 15th of June, which is the Sthapna Divas of this temple, which is a very big celebration. They also host a massive Langar Prasad outside the temple, a must visit place when you visit Nainital.